Doing a quick test recording of this camera real quick. Kitty. Lay biscuits. You think it's funny, lay biscuits? You think you is? Who knows? It is the big. Lay. Me. Lay. Outside. Okay, so the battery just died on me there for a second. He was running around in the bushes and stuff and really enjoying himself. I try to keep him away from the grass though, because, you know, I don't want him to get fleas. I don't even really do this that often, because if I do, like, you know, he'll get fleas. So I do this once in a while, and because, you know, I need to keep him happy. Anyways, yeah, he's being a cat. Just realized the strap is in front of there. Whoops. Alright, guess we're going back inside. Yeah? Alright. The kitty. Meow. Kitty. This is like a really high quality for VHS, by the way. Holy shit. I can see like all the little furs on him with the viewfinder. I'm gonna stop this now. It's raining. I know, right? What, are you disappointed? You're disappointed that it's raining? Hey, kitty. Yeah, I think he's disappointed. But he wanted to come out, so... I don't know what to say. You smelling the flowers now? You smelling the flowers? Oh, I guess not. Oh! Yeah, the strap's getting tangled. Oh my god, cat. Or not, or just step in the spider web, okay. I was gonna get that on film, but... God, this cat. This cat. I'm running on low battery. He's in the jungle now. As I was saying, amazingly, that spider web somehow survived that and all that water. I mean, just look at that. That is impressive. Hey, Biscuit, hold still. Kitty. Oh, no. Hold on. Come here. Kitty. Biscuit. Kitty. Oh, it's not holding still. Come on. Biscuit. Biscuit. Oh, no, that didn't work. Thought I was gonna get a good snapshot of him, but he always moves around. Biscuit. Oh. No, he's a happy cat today. He's so happy to be outside. He rarely ever gets this opportunity, especially during the rain. Oh. He's pressing up against me so hard. Hey, kitty. Oh. Ah. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Cat.